Alright, so today we're going to be working on our kettlebell row with rotation, and this does a nice job at adding a rotational movement into our kettlebell row to increase our range of motion and also get a little more core engagement here. So we're going to start out in a lunge stance. This is slightly different from the stance you have in a kettlebell or a bent row. So 1 foot's forward, partial lunge here. We're going to make sure our heels pushing into the floor here, nice and firm stance. Back legs staying nice and straight with our body here, nicely aligned, engaged in the core. You might feel a little tightness in the hamstrings or the calves back here if you do have tight calves or hamstrings. So we're going to push back. We're going to grab onto the kettlebell in a moment here, and what we're going to do is we're going to drive upwards, opening up the shoulders, pulling towards our stomach, and as we pull upwards, we're going to rotate our upper body with this as well. Make sure the core stays nice and engaged. So let's grab a kettlebell and give this a shot. So, kettlebell in one hand, step outwards, partial lunge, drop downwards. We want to make sure that while we're holding this kettlebell firmly, we are just letting the arm hang straight down, okay? So, when we're ready, pull towards the stomach and rotate outwards, okay? Pull. While we're doing this, just another reminder, make sure we keep the core nice and engaged. Turn as the kettlebell pulls upwards, focus on that engagement in the back, in the core, in the shoulders, and the arms. So that is our kettlebell row with rotation.